large numbers of patients at one time in an emergency situation places a tremendous strain on any hospital staff. It's an intensely stressful time with all the commotion and noise. Doctors and nurses must be able to evaluate and treat with the highest degree of efficiency in order to save lives.
This mass casualty exercise makes us prepare for any event that could bring a lot of patients. I'm confident that we can treat hundreds of patients with our trained staff.
This is not the first mass casualty exercise for these doctors and nurses. They've conducted several practice exercises over the past few years with the help of the Combined Security Transition Command's embedded training team. Their success and progression is remarkable.
And I think what we've seen today is that they were very well prepared. They actually had a lot of thought put into the things that they were doing. And from what we saw of last year's mass casualty, they have really grown and have done a great many things to improve the whole process.
It is important to understand that hospitals around the world have emergency plans in place for any type of catastrophe, and this hospital is no exception. Here they have a temporary triage area that is easily accessible for numerous ambulances, an emergency room where they can expedite patient care, and a tactical operations center that keeps the entire process running smoothly and efficiently. For the Combined Security Transition Command Afghanistan, I'm Pamela Smith.
Feel of the fat.